Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, April 30th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 1 3/4 points to 29.41 and a quarter per contract. All in all, when you look at this market, we've really continued to just go sideways or higher. Rarely do we see any declines. Today we're dipping a little bit in the futures, but we're not going to make much out of a 1.5 fall here. So again, we'll see how it plays out. We have lots, and I do mean lots of earnings in play today. So let's just get started with them. We're going to start with the big one of them all, Google. And what you're going to see here is Google today getting absolutely slaughtered. Stock closed yesterday at $1,296 a share, now trading at $1,189 a share. So really just a monster fall. I have gap levels ready to go. They'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right around 9 o'clock. So again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2019. We're in the start of earnings season here, so we can get lots of plays each and every day. And again, Google will be in play this morning. So stock falling by a big margin here. We'll see where it goes. But we have some ideas where we want to be buyers for a gap play. So again, be ready for that one. Next up, I want to take a look at McDonald's. MCD is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $200.75. Closed at $197.11. So we got a nice little pop there from McDonald's today. Again, stock briefly got above 204. Now it's pulling back in, but it's still a very strong name out here today. So we'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings. I don't think there's a whole lot to do here. Let's see where it starts the day off. Let's go over to General Electric, GE. Brings good things to life. Stock right now is trading at $10.46. Closed at $9.73. So really, really good pop. GE may have some more upside. If this could get above the morning high, this could have some running potential. But again, be a little bit careful with it. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, let's wait on pattern, and we'll look at it in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at MGM. Ticker symbol is MGM Resorts International. Stock right now trading at $27.70. It closed last night at $28.60. So you got a little bit of a downtick here. I'm not going to make too much out of this. If this stock got down to around 24.5, it's probably a very good support level today. So again, we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see how it plays out. You may want to watch the other casino names. LVS could be affected a little bit by this one. Also, Wynn Resorts could also be affected as well. And you can see that they're all down in the pre-market. Next up, I want to take a look at Western Digital. WDC is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $47.98. Closed at $50.47. So you got a nice little haircut there. I'm not certain on levels with this one. I'm still going to work on it, but I will come up with something. So just be ready. Western Digital definitely will be in play this morning. It's not a huge gap lower by any stretch, but it's a decent little dip. So we'll keep our eye on it, and we'll see where we go. Right off the bat, though, I am watching the 44.50 area. If it gets down to that level, that's a spot that does interest me. So again, I'm going to work on some levels on this one. We'll see what we come up with. Next up, I want to take a look at Eli Lilly, LLY. Stock is getting hit pretty hard. Closed at $119.58. Now trading at $115.92. So Eli Lilly under pressure. I have gap levels already done for this one. Again, keep that on your radar. A couple of other pharma names. Merck, MRK, coming out with earnings. Stock closed at $76.79. Now trading at $77.59. So that's upticked a little bit. We're not going to make too much out of that. Pfizer also in play today. Stock closed at $39.61. Now trading at $39.97. So upticking just a touch. Don't make too much out of that. Sticking with the healthcare, we're going to go to HCA. This has just been off the charts here this morning. This stock closed yesterday at $125.42. Now at $131.60. When I did the math on this, this can go up to $135 today. So if you own HCA, trail the stop loss, let it run. It's been quite a bounce when you think about this stock putting a low in on the 17th of April. If you take a look here, that was the 17th of April. Stock was trading about down towards the 110 level. Now this morning trading north of 130. So terrific move for HCA, and I still see it getting to 135. Next up, want to take a look here at Tenet Healthcare, THC. is the ticker symbol there, hospital space. This is trading at 24.60, closed at 23.80, so you got a little bit of an uptick there. Next up, want to take a look at Phillips 66. PSX is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $94.99. Briefly got down to the 94 area, now bouncing back up a little bit. It closed at 95.35, so it's down ticked a little bit. Not much I would do with it here. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll see if it gives us something to do once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Corning, GLW. Stock right now is trading at $31.90, closed at $33.77. I definitely will have a level for Corning. So, again, bear with me here. I'll have to do these numbers, but I definitely see levels that get me interested in this stock. Keep the $30 level on the radar, Pierce of 30. That is definitely interesting to me. Next up, want to take a look at ConocoPhillips, COP. Is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $63.65, closed at $62.65. I don't think this is a great move by any stretch. So if Conoco gets down to around $60.50, maybe $60.60, I like it there. Right now, I wouldn't do much with it at the moment. Let's take a look at MasterCard. MA is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now trading at $250.40. I don't see any problems with the stock. The trend is up. May stall a little bit around here just if it gets a little bit overbought, but nothing really wrong with MasterCard today, and that's a good move after earnings. Next up, we have General Motors, GM. Stock right now trading at $38.93, closed at $40.01. I might get interested in a 37 level, maybe even 36.50. I'll have to look at this one if it gets down there. Again, we'll talk about this more in the intraday stock chat room. All right, I'm going to go over to the gold market right now. We have gold futures trading up $1.20 to $1,282 an ounce. If you don't have a gold futures chart, you could look at the GLD. That's trading at $120.94, closed at $120.83. Next up, we have crude oil up $1.12 today. Nice rebound for crude oil. That is back to $64.62. So crude getting a very, very big bid this morning. If you have the USO, that's a good way to track the movement in crude. You'll see that's trading at $13.45 a share today. So again, crude on the move, gold kind of flat, and we have lots of stocks. We have stocks out here that I could not even cover because we just don't have the time. But again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. I'll have some gap plays ready to go. We'll also look at a bunch of other names out here. And again, we are in the heart of earnings season, so we got lots of plays over the next couple of weeks. So come on, check it out. Trade right alongside of us. We're having a great 2019 so far. With that being said, everybody have a wonderful, wonderful trading day, and we'll see you a bit on the charts.